Olá, pessoal, boa tarde. Hello, people, good afternoon. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to explain the simple present, but not the simple present of the verb to be. The simple present of another verbs, like want, like, prefer, in the context of the most competitive occupations nowadays, right? Eu vou explicar para vocês. Eu vou ensinar o simple present no contexto das 10 profissões mais competitivas, ok? Simple present in all forms, em todas as formas, interrogativa, negativa e afirmativa, ok? But first, we have to know the vocabulary. Você tem que repetir tudo que eu digo, é assim que funciona, tá bom? Eu vou falar o mais rápido possível porque o Google não está aceitando vídeo muito longo, tá bom? Então, por favor, repitam. Vocês dão pause no vídeo, tá bom? E repete aquilo que eu pedi para vocês repetirem. Repeat significa repetir, ok? So, repeat, class. A doctor. A doctor. A lawyer. A lawyer. Advogado. A civil engineer. A civil engineer. A doctor, people, is médico, ok? Repeat, class. An architect. An architect. A urbanist. A urbanist. An advertising person. An advertising person. Advertising person. A physiotherapist. A physiotherapist. A psychologist. A psychologist. A computer scientist. A computer scientist. A nutritionist. A nutritionist. Repeat, class. What do you want to be when you grow up? What do you want to be when you grow up? One more time. What do you want to be when you grow up? Very good, students. What é o quê? Do é o pronome, aliás, é o verbo auxiliar que coloca a frase na afirmativa, na interrogativa. Esse do aqui ele não tem significado, ele apenas tem uma função que é usado antes da pessoa ou do pronome pessoal, aqui no caso é o you, né? Ele é usado antes dessa pessoa ou do pronome pessoal. Para quê? Para colocar a frase ou oração na interrogativa, tá bom? Então, ele não tem significado aqui nesse caso. Ele tem uma função. Repeat, class. What do you want to be when you grow up? I want to be an architect. 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 I want to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor. I want to be an engineer. I want to be an engineer. I want to be a civil engineer. I want to be a civil engineer. I want to be a urbanist. I want to be an advertising person. Pessoa de propaganda, publicitário, quem trabalha com marketing. I want to be an advertising person. I want to be a I want to be a physiotherapist. I want to be a physiotherapist. Physiotherapist. Faltou um Hzinho bem aqui, ó, tá? I want to be a physiotherapist. I want to be a computer scientist. I want to be a computer scientist. I want to be a nutritionist. I want to be a nutritionist. I want to be a lawyer, advogado. I want to be a lawyer. I want to be an international relations person. I want to be an international relations person. Ok, people? I want to be é eu quero ser. Ok? Very good. Where é aonde? What é o que, né? Ou qual. O que você quer ser quando você crescer. E aqui, ó. Where, onde ou aonde. Onde do you, ó. Do you, aqui é a pergunta. Do you. Where do you study? Onde, muito bem, já adivinharam, né? Onde você estuda. Where do you study? Repeat. I study at Tech. Where do you work? I work at Tech. Short answers, people. É a mesma coisa que sim ou não. Só que como é inglês culto, eu estou ensinando para vocês da forma culta. Ó, do you want to be a doctor? No, I don't. Yes, I do. É a mesma coisa que falar sim ou então não. Tá bom? Mas em inglês a gente fala, we use short answers. Nós usamos perguntas pequenas, short answers. Repeat, class. Do you want to be a doctor? No, I don't. Yes, I do. Repeat, class. Do you want to be a doctor? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do you want to be a lawyer? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Do you want to be a civil engineer? No, I don't. I prefer to be a doctor. I prefer to be a doctor. É para repetir tudo, tá? Mesmo que você tenha que dar pausa. I want to be a doctor. I don't want to be a civil engineer. I don't want to be a civil engineer. Do you want to be an architect? Yes, I do. I want to be an architect. Do you want to be a urbanist? No, I don't. I prefer to be a lawyer. I prefer to be a lawyer. Aqui é um T, tá, gente? Ai, meu Deus. É um T, ok? I want to be a lawyer. Erro de digitação, né? I don't want to be a urbanist. Repeat. I don't want to be a urbanist. Do you want to be an advertising person? Do you want to be an advertising person? No, I don't. I prefer to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor. Repeat, class. Do you want to be a physiotherapist? Do you want to be a physiotherapist? Yes, I do. I want to be a physiotherapist. Do you want to be a computer scientist? Do you want to be a computer scientist? No, I don't. I prefer to be a nutritionist. I prefer to be a nutritionist. Do you want to be a nutritionist? No, yes, I do. Yes, I do. I want to be a nutritionist. No, I don't. I prefer to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor. Want é querer, eu quero. Repeat, class. Where do you work? I work at IBM. Do you like to work at IBM? Yes, I do. Do you like to work at IBM? Ó, do you, você gosta de trabalhar na IBM? Repeat, do you like to work at IBM? Yes, I do. Where do you work? Where do you work? I work at Microsoft. Do you like it? Yes, I do. Esse it aqui está se referindo a essa frase toda, ok? Do you like it? É como se eu fosse it's like I would ask, do you like to work at Microsoft? Esse it está substituindo toda essa frase. Do you like it? Ou seja, to work at Microsoft? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Yes, I do. I like to work at Microsoft. Where do you work? Where do you work? I work at Hospital Pasteur. Do you like it? Yes, I do. I love to work at Hospital Pasteur. Very good, students. Where do you work? I'm sorry. Where do you study? I study at Tech. Do you like it? Yes, I do. I love to study at Tech. Where do you work? I work for Facebook. Do you like it? No, I don't. I don't like to work for Facebook. I don't like to work at Facebook. I want to work at Google. I want to work for Google. It's missing I here. I want to work for Google. Where do you work? I work at Extra Hypermarket. I work at Extra Hypermarket. Do you like it? No, I don't. I intend to work for Bahia's house. Intende é pretender, tá? Existe o verbo pretend, que é fingir. É um falso cognato. Pretend significa fingir. Where do you work? Pretender é intend. Where do you work? I'm sorry. Where do you study? I study at PUC University. Do you like it? Yes, I do. I love to study at PUC University. Repeat, class. I love to study at PUC University. Where do you study? I study at Estácio de Sá University. I study at Estácio de Sá University. Do you like it? Yes, I do. I study at Estácio de Sá University. Do you like it? Yes, I do. I like to study at Estácio de Sá University. Where do you study? I study at Firetech Elementary School. I study at Firetech Elementary School. Elementary School. Do you like it? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I love to study at Firetech Elementary School. I love to study at Firetech Elementary School. Do you like to be a doctor? Yes, I do. Do you like to be a lawyer? No, I don't. Remember, people, you pause the video to repeat, ok? Lembre-se, pause o vídeo para repetir se eu estiver indo muito longo. Do you like to be a civil engineer? No, I don't. Do you like to be a civil engineer? No, I don't. Do you like to be a urbanist? Yes, I do. Do you like to be a student? Yes, I do. Do you like to be an advertising person? Do you like to be an advertising person? No, I don't. Do you like to be I'm sorry. Do you like to be a psychologist? Yes, I do. I don't want to be a doctor. I don't want to be a civil engineer. I don't want to. I don't want to. I don't want to. I don't want to be a doctor. I don't want to be a civil engineer. I don't want to be an architect. I don't want to be a urbanist. Perceba que na forma negativa o don't ou do not vem para antes do verbo principal, beleza? She does not want to be an advertising person. Na terceira pessoa tem o caso do S, né? Olha, she does not want to be an advertising person. He doesn't like to be a psychologist. He doesn't like to be a psychologist. Does she? Ó, a forma base é she wants to be a nutritionist. Mas o S, que deveria ficar aqui na frase afirmativa da terceira pessoa, com he, com she ou com it, o Szinho vem para o verbo auxiliar. Então, quando ele vem para o verbo auxiliar, o verbo principal volta para a forma base. Does she want to be a nutritionist? Does she want to be a nutritionist? No, she doesn't. Yes, she does. Does he? Ó, does he? You don't need to say does he? Does he? We are not robots, okay? Does he like to be a doctor? Does he like to be a doctor? Yes, he does. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. He likes to be a doctor. He likes to be a doctor. Does she want to be a dentist? Yes, she does. She intends to be a dentist. Very good, students. Oh, this is me. Okay. It's a pleasure to know you. I will stop this video. Please, dê like no vídeo, se inscreva no canal, né? E vão lá para a página que eu tenho para vocês fazerem exercícios a respeito dessa aula, tá bom? Um grande abraço.